A good day, yeah, all from wherever you're watching. Today I'm gonna show you how I did some of the effects in Clash of Power. I said it during my other tutorials that I'm going to be sharing how I did most of the effects in Clash of Power. So if you have not watched Clash of Power, dropping it in the description below. So I want you to go and watch that nice film and also comment. And if you're a VFX artist, you could also tell me how to do things better or how you feel it should would have been more uh, better and good. We are all learning, we are all artists. So without wasting much of your time, I want you to see this. Okay, good. Let's continue. Let me show you how I made this. So open After Effects. Just have to open After Effects. Then I imported the video, the clip of me performing the laser movement. Okay, so this me performing the laser movement, the character here, and this was a shot to kill, and you can see the whole strength and everything is pouring out. So I just duplicated this footage. As you can see, I soloed it right here. So I added just a little curves to play with the adjustment of this footage. It was shot with a Nikon camera. So first of all, I have to start with the one eye glow. So I just named it one eye glow. So I named it one eye glow because I have to create something like this, and just to follow the eye. If a laser beam wants to shoot out, it has to go through the starting process. So after that, so if I just press keyboard U, we have a max here, and that is the max controlling the effect we applied. If you look up here, you see the effect called saber. So that is the effect we applied, and on top of that we added a deep glow. Okay, a deep glow is not after effect. If you come to the effect and presets over here, it is not there. Okay, it's a plugin installed, and this plugin is solved with a lot of nice gradient that is cool and controllable, make stuff cool. So that is what I added there. So I added it on the saber. So, and this is just I have to, because the footage is somehow complicated. So there was no tracking position, so I have to like manually track this. So if I should zoom in, you see a lot of keyframes. So I did manual tracking. So I did manual tracking to this. So if I should close this, then we'll move forward. I should bring back the zoom in with this. So we'll move forward to the second layer, which I duplicated and added the same effect. So I added the same effect, and that is another saber, and I added another max. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through the settings because I have to reset them. So I set the core size to 25, set the glow intensity to 39, set the glow spread to 0.50, then the glow bias to 0.72. okay, so which I set the start size to 51. I also set the start roundness to 0.5. okay, so I made the offset. Okay, I played with the offset, the end size and the end offset. Okay, so anyway, if you come to the distortion, the distortion glow, okay, or the core, so I set it to smooth and distort, the composite to distortion. So these are just a few things I did to this. Okay, so if I should press U to reveal the keyframes, you see I keyframe the max part to follow. So I did that I did it manually. So I did not use a tracker for this because the tracker wouldn't move where it will shake because there wasn't a track marker placed. So, and this is one thing about production. You have to sometimes I have to shoot things 2 times, one with a marker and one without the tracking marker. And I always shoot a clean plate. Okay, so because it really helped me a lot. So this is just for this how I did this. The laser effect. So some of you might be wondering why it's not super detailed, why it's not is according to the scripts. Okay, so this saber light is not just like that of Superman with enough heat vision. So this is just kind of like if you watch Star Wars, they have this saber. So it's simple looking, but it is dangerous. It can slice, it can penetrate, it is hot, it is, if you watch Star Wars, you're going to understand what I'm trying to say. So this is the kind of laser effect Jason had in this movie, in this Clash of Power. So guys, I'll be telling you more of I'll be showing you more effects and how I did it. So if you are new to After Effects, I will also consider you while making these tutorials. So if you are a pro, please, I would like comments. I would like to see your contribution, because one thing I do is that I love learning from artists, and I've been learning from artists my whole life, and that is the only way I'll be getting better and good in what I do. So see you next time in my next video. Bye.